vibe.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, eyebrows by you.
Bow, bow, bow. Make your bitch sweat. Make your bitch sweat. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
He's speeding the right while he's on my coochie.
Well, yeah, no bars, bitch. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you're not new here, then thank you for tuning in once again. This vlog is basically gonna be like a maintenance vlog. Like, I'm gonna bring y'all with me to get my hair done, bring y'all with me to get my nails done. I got a 613 wig, y'all. I bought this wig back in August for my birthday, but I just never put it on. I'm on my way to get my hair done right now as we speak. I got my braids in. Yeah, I'm headed to my hair appointment, and I'm just show y'all how your girl do her do. This my outfit, if y'all can't see. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to my hair appointment.
Overnight, out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, see, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you.
Damn!
No more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
The next day.
I'm on the way to go get my nails done. We downtown. I'll see y'all when I get there.
He's speeding the right while he's on my coochie. He's touching a million your coochie. Doing good, bitch, I'm Gucci. Fly.
All right, y'all. We arrived at the nail salon. I need to get my shit together. I feel like they finna stare at me with this blonde in my head, but I don't really care. Alrighty, let's go. I'm back from getting my nails done. Yeah, these are my nails. I just got regular white because you just can't never go wrong with white. But yeah, these are my nails. All right, y'all. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just taking pictures, but this is my picture outfit. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, bitches.
3 hours later.
We going out.
Yeah, but I didn't use it like.
Yeah, you know the vibes.
Go in the vibe, catch a vibe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dog.
Yeah.
Okay, eyebrows by
I bet you about to get into it. Eyebrows.
Got her right before she got herself right.
Eyebrows. Please. Push your mama. Push your back. Your back asshole.
On that hoe.
Yeah, I ain't gonna bring y'all with me, but I'm gonna bring y'all with me. If y'all know what I'm saying. We lit already.
We been drinking on that what we been drinking on? Patron the Reposado.
Bitch check. Bitch check, bitch your bitch. Okay,
So-
bitch check.
So fresh make your bitch what?
Make your bitch wet. Make your bitch wet. Okay, yeah. Okay, bitch check.
Yeah, y'all see it. If he the change, the real one.
The real one.
The real one.
So icy boys.
So icy boy.
What you talk about? So icy boys. Yeah.
Check, bitch, check.
Bitch check.
Yeah. Get it
On that hoe.
started.
Ooh, get it. Why? Yeah, no bars, bitch.
No bars.
Bow, bow,
Bow, bow, bow, bow, bow, bow, bow.
Stop playing with us. Stop. And play with your mammy, bitch. Oh my god, we look so good, y'all. Like, how y'all see us on this camera is what it's giving in real life.
Like, I always get real.
Oh my god, bitch, we look like money.
I feel like.
Look like money. Yeah.
I'm gonna see y'all
Oh God, we need to.
at the club.
At my club with my twin.
Period.
Hey, that's it, bitch.
Yeah, you know I'll be outside. Yeah. She got your back. Yeah, she got your back. I know that.
What's all that movement back there? What's all that movement back there? There's a whole lot of clapping.
I be saying, she dancing like a pro, yeah. I'm like, whoa, yeah, it was the old slow, yeah, it's a phone, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here. We'll see. But just in case I do end the vlog here, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so you can see more of me. But yeah, thank y'all.